Do you feel in charge? Do I even got to explain this? Do you feel in charge? Listen, look, Bane, Batman, they're both you. They're both aspects of you. Right? But in this case, we're talking about Heru and who else? That's right, Set, which is both just you. Right? So now you got to ask yourself, who's in charge? Nobody's in charge, nigga. It's the one. What you think Neo is? The one. Right? You are Unisys. Set and Heru is one. Right? You can't have one without the other. You can't have the good guy without a bad guy. There is no story in that adventure. So, do you feel in charge? Are you in the space of understanding that you need me in this journey, nigga? And you're gonna have to walk through this fear regardless. You better bust through this bitch because this is a never-ending story. And it's gonna go on and on and on, and there is no stopping it. Only thing you can do is get comfortable with it. Once you get into a space of saying, okay, I know the resistance is coming. I know I'm gonna have resistance. I have to break through it even if my head starts hurting, even if I'm confused, even if I'm lost. Because guess what? The lost is just you being in the darkness. And out of darkness, yeah, y'all know.
Message.
So you have to move in a space of power, of strength, of courage, because you are on this ride with Batman. Here we go. Let's keep it going.